Okay guys, today I think we're going to start harvest. We got the combine out and right now we have the corn head on it because we're just working on a few things on the corn head to get done with it. But we're going to go harvest soybeans today, I believe. They seem to be ready. They're still a little bit chewy and the stems look a little green, but I think they're dry enough to where we could harvest them and dry them down a little bit in the grain bin. We'll just have to see what happens since we have a few more things to get ready, but I'm thinking we're going to start harvest 2021 today, so let's go. Yep. All right guys, so we started harvest, but we have to stop and we have to go take the disc and disc down the ends since we ridge row crop cultivated. So it'd be rough if we turn on the ends. So we got to disc those down, then we can start harvesting or really get into harvesting. Dad got the buffers knocked down, got the ridges smoothed out, so I guess it's go time. Got the first dump onto wagons of the season. Hopefully the first of very many. We got those 16 anchors knocked out. Now we'll go unload, set up the auger, unload those wagons, and that'll probably be it for tonight. Then tomorrow, we'll bring everything over to the Danker farm and see if we can't get started there. All right guys, so we got that field harvested, we got the beans unloaded, and we're gonna shut it down for the night. But tomorrow morning, we're going to go bring all the equipment over to the Danker farm so we can start harvesting those 120 acres of soybeans over there. But this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, give it a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe right down below because I'll be posting a lot more harvest videos. So yeah, thanks for watching.